Alright, I'm fixing to take my first squash out of here. Look at this. I forgot what kind they are, but this is Hoss Tool. See there? A nice squash. We're going to have squash tonight. I'm going to go ahead and take that one. Give everything else time to grow. So we have 2 squash here. And I have one here. So I think we got enough to do a few fries. Okay, the squash you saw me pick earlier, our first fresh squash out of the Queen Dome, our white shade cloth greenhouse. I took and made fries. I coated them lightly in a touch of corn flour and salted these, put them in this iron skillet, put it in the oven, 375 for about 25 minutes, and then I broiled the tops. You want to taste one?
Let's see how they are. Ooh, they hot, I can tell you that.
Fresh squash, nothing beats it, right?
Yeah, nothing beat a fresh squash like this. It's the first of the season.
And this is April the 17th, right?
18th.
18th, okay.
April 18th. We got fresh squash and we're fixing to be back down in the high 30s again.
Isn't that awesome? Now let me show you the other. Now mine, I just seasoned them with Miss Lippy's Swamp Mix. This is Miss Lippy's Bayou Blend Swamp Mix. It's a Cajun spice. It's not real hot. It's just, you can taste the flavors and it tastes great on everything. Trying squash with Swamp Mix. Mine's a little cooler. Mine's not as hot as Danny's. With the swamp mix, you get a little bit of taste of garlic and onions and a hint of cayenne in it. But it's got other different mixtures. It's perfect on veggies. See? Our first fresh squash. It's awesome.
Stealing taters.
See what you got. Look at there. So, one for you, one for me. If you want more, you gotta dig 1 or 2 more.
Yeah, I'm just trying to
take one randomly.
Yeah, just a random picking here, you know. I like to kind of like take my hands and dig down and see if I find anything. I buried them so deep till I'm not finding. I mean, I don't want to. I'm trying to not destroy up a good potato here. Oh, I feel the top of one right there.
Not as big,
Not
but
as
it'll
big,
be.
but it's a good eating tater. Way out here. Way out from the plant. That's the kind you want to get out of there, because they ain't never going to be very big. Little pond dirt in here. It's done got hard. You like this one here. See how the ground's breaking way out yonder? That one ain't never going to mount to a hill of beans. There he is right down there. I feel him with my fingers.
That looks like a big potato. Not really.
Not really.
A good size, though.
They're good eating. Well,
First bass, huh?
yeah, he's a small one.
But Actually, quite bigger than what we put in there, isn't he?
A whole lot larger. Considering what we put in there was like a little over an inch long.
That's pretty cool. And what'd you catch him with?
A minnow.
I told you, they don't like fake meat.
Nope, they don't like fake meat.